These little ants change the way we think about ourselves. The year was 2006. Nigel Frank and his team were studying rock ants. Under microscopic slides, they observed the ants doing something surprising. Like all other ants, they were moving in a straight line towards a food source, but they were stopping often. It surprised the scientists because it slowed them down so substantially. They thought, why were they stopping again and again if they knew where the food source was? Turns out this wasn't just another ant trail. Rather, it was a live classroom. Only the leader knew where the food source was, and the other ants were students trying to learn the path. They stopped every now and then to memorize the landmarks on the route. And every time they did so, they would indicate to the teacher ant to slow down, and she would. This was the first verified example of teaching in the animal kingdom. How is this teaching if the students are just learning by themselves? Because it fulfilled three main criteria. First, the teacher ant changed her behavior for the student. Second, it affected her own productivity. Third, the students learned the route much faster than they would have on their own. Sounds rather simple, but this was never even seen among seemingly more complex animals like chimps and elephants. Since this discovery, examples of teaching have been noted in many other species. Ants once again showed us it doesn't take a big brain to display complex social behavior.